What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode. My name is Vanilla Extract, aka the Baking Nsizwa, and this week is the second week of June. So, as you know, June is Pride Month, so I just want to wish the entire LGBTQI plus community a happy Pride Month. On my Twitter this week, I did say I'd probably make rainbow biscuits or rainbow cookies this week for Pride Month, but I went to the stores and I couldn't find all the food coloring that I needed. So I did not go through with making rainbow cookies. I still make cookies though. I made some great chocolate chip cookies that you can do very minimal ingredients or stuff that you can find in your house, I'm guessing. And yeah, man, if you don't have vanilla extract at home, you can literally just go to the shop and buy some vanilla extract and you on your way. And these are very nice cookies. Yeah, man, like very simple, very nice cookies that I'm sure you'll enjoy, everyone will enjoy. You can have them with a cup of tea, cappuccino. Like, I'm not a person who likes drinking hot beverages, but I drank a hot beverage tonight and I had my biscuits with the tea and it went well, with the cappuccino, yeah. And it really went well. It was nice, man. So yeah, I hope you guys try it and I hope you guys enjoy.
So we're gonna start off with our dry ingredients in our bowl. I've used 450 grams of flour and 225 grams of powdered sugar. For powdered sugar, you can either use icing sugar or your caster sugar. I've used icing sugar. Add our pinch of salt, and then we're gonna just go ahead and add our 300 grams of butter. Make sure to mix this in properly. A lot of ingredients ask for cold butter, but I've gone ahead and just used some softened butter just because it's easier to mix. Once that's come together properly, we're going to add our egg yolks. We're adding 3 egg yolks and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract just to get that vanilla taste into our biscuits. And then we mix that all up until well combined. Take our dough and put it into a plastic or just cover it up and put it into the fridge for 30 minutes. Once that's done, we're going to roll out our dough on a clean surface that has been floured lightly. If your dough is still sticking, make sure to just drop some flour on there and just carry on rolling. Using your cookie cutter, cut into the dough and make your biscuits. I've decided to go ahead and add my chocolate chips on the top of the biscuits instead of mixing it in with my batter. You can mix it in with your batter if you'd like. That is completely up to you. Ensure to line your baking tray and then just add your biscuits into the baking tray once you're done. Once they're done sitting, pop them into a preheated oven at 160 degrees and we're gonna bake these for 20 to 22 minutes.
Listen, it's only been level 3 for 1 week, okay? And there's been a whole lot of drinking and driving incidents. People have been going to parties. I hope you guys aren't those type of people who've been going to gatherings. Yeah, guys, like, it's just not safe, in my opinion. People do have the argument of, oh, but I know what I'm getting myself into and I'm willing to take that risk. But it also becomes a point where you need to understand that you're not only putting yourself at risk, because if one person at that gathering or whatever has coronavirus and they don't know and they're asymptomatic, yeah, abanama symptoms. Yeah, well, if benganama symptoms, they don't have the symptoms. And then next thing you contract it and you take it home. What if you're living with elderly people or young people at home? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, besides just thinking about yourself, let's think about all the other people at home. Some people take public transport. You know, it's a mess really. I'm not sure to police what people do, but I'm just saying think about other people. And yeah, man, like, you're not gonna die if you don't go to a party, or you know, it's like, okay, it's not just one night because we've been on lockdown since the 26th of March. But yeah, man, just think about it. Like, and if you go to sleep, what's the worst that can happen? You understand? Cool. If you guys have any recommendations for desserts or treats that you'd like to see on the show, please just drop it in the comments below and I'll make sure to make it one day, maybe next week, maybe the week after, you know. Yeah, man, I'm a person who keeps my promises. Understand? I keep my promises. So if I say I'm going to make it, no, I'm going to make it. And there's no shortcuts. I told you in the first video, there's no shortcuts. We're doing the thing proper. Hey man, look, shout out to all the people who have already subscribed to the channel. If you are one of them, major shout outs to you, man. If you're watching this video and you still haven't subscribed, come on guys, like stop, scroll down and subscribe guys. Let's push. We're on the road to 500. Okay, so let's push, man. Let's get to 500. Let's subscribe to the show. Tell your friends to subscribe. Tell your family members to subscribe. You know, we're pushing content almost every week. And it's literally some cool recipes that you guys can learn. I can learn. We can all learn. You understand? So yeah, man, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be part of notification gang, just hit the bell to share the video. That's the most important thing. Please share the video, guys. And let's get people subscribing. You know, we're close to 500. We passed halfway. We're like 3 something now, 300 something. So we're getting there. We're actually getting there. So let's push to 500, guys. And thank you for your support. It's really appreciated.
Enjoy your biscuits with a hot beverage, or if you're like me, you can just have them alone. Make sure to like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Baking Nsizwa out.